kitchen. So today I'm really excited about showing you one of my absolute favourites. I make these all the time, waffles. I love them. You can have them with fruit, ice cream, but let me show you how the recipe is put together. So in the bowl we have 300 grams of self-raising flour, 50 grams of sugar. Just pop that in together and mix it around. This recipe is so simple. Now you don't need to have an amazing machine, you can get quite cheap ones. This is a really good machine, it's from Sage. I love it. I probably had that machine 5 years. So put that together and then all we're going to do is add the milk. So we've got 430 grams of mils of milk in here and 3 eggs. Blend those together. And this recipe is so simple. So we're going to add our vanilla extract. And then we've just got some melted butter. So it's 125 grams of melted butter. Pop that in as well. And then all we're going to do is blend that together. I always make it well in the middle and just start to mix it round. And what I do when I'm making it, I just start in the centre and fold the dry ingredients around the edges. And it really is a 2-minute batter, this one. And I'm always making these for my daughter when she comes home. These are her favourites. And you can have Nutella on them, maple syrup. That maple syrup there actually I got from Canada last year. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. So pop that in there. And that is our batter made, ready to go. So I'm just waiting for that to heat up and then we're there. So that's the machine now heated up. So it is non-stick plates there, but I always just give it a little spray. Just a little bit of oil, plenty there. And then ladle it in, so simple. Pop that in. Put the lid down, and what I like about this machine, it will tell you how long it's going to take. So it's telling me it's going to take 4 minutes. So see you in 4 minutes. Here we go, I can't wait for these. Look at those, aren't they lovely? So just literally lift them out and that is your waffle. How amazing are they? I'm just going to put a little bit more mix in there. Keep them going. So they have lovely waffles ready for any morning, afternoon, evening, whatever you want. And I've got a lovely bowl of fruit here. I normally serve mine with ice cream or yoghurt, some fabulous maple syrup. So I told you they're really simple. Anyone can do these. You don't have to have a very fancy machine. You can get a much cheaper model, but they're absolutely amazing. The smell, always lovely. Well, that's the last 2 finished. So that mix makes 8. Look at that stack. Right, let me show you how to plate one up. Or 2 up. Can't just have one, can we? We've got to have 2. So there we have it, my favourite waffles. I know I said 2 waffles, but I decided to make it looks pretty with 3, doesn't it? All that fresh fruit and ice cream and maple syrup there, and there's only one thing for it now. I can't let that go to waste, can I? So thank you so much for joining me. I will see you on the next one. Please subscribe and put your thumbs up. Bye for now. Gorgeous.